Gone are five-year starter Sydney Hilley, five-time first-team All-American Dana Rettke, Lauren Barnes, Grace Loberg. You get it. The reigning national champs lost a lot of experience, but that's okay. They're also bringing in a lot of talent. And remember, there's still key pieces returning. So instead of a rebuilding year, it's a reloading one. The Badgers are ready for another run.
We do have so many new people joining our team that are bringing so much to the gym, whether it's a transfer or our incoming freshmen. Like, they are all ready to compete.
They know what we're about, what this is about. They believe in themselves. They've got a lot of confidence. They're not trying to be Sydney Hilley, just like Sydney Hilley wasn't trying to be Lauren Carlini. But they believe in themselves.